Back once again with just another quick kind of tip, and that is our emulation modes. And these emulation modes kind of emulate the sound of older gear, different sample rates and such. So we're going to get into that now. So let's find something. So we have that. So what we could do is we'll go over, and I will full screen this. Bam. I'll go over. So we have our engine mode, and that's standard is the standard Maschine engine mode. It does some weird stuff, but it's standard, so that's it. So if you add a vintage S1200 model, this is one of the oldies. This is before the MPC. This is one of could only record 10 seconds. Imagine that. So when that's on, it's almost like a low pass filter, and it adds some neat little grit. You can really hear that. And then this is the MPC, which is MP60. Pretty clever. You know what? I'll give you a better example. Oh. So this is a kick. Basic kick. This is standard mode. Right, a lot of crunched there. Filter is, you know, the amount of roll off you get. All right, and the MP60 is a lot more pronounced. Right, so different types of audio. It works well in different types of audio. You can add that to, you know, percussion. You can add that to your kicks. You can even add that to your samples to dirty them up a bit more. The hell? Okay. Oh, never mind. You can really hear it there. It gives that old feel. So it emulates those older drum machines, which are, you know, very sought after, which is very clever. And yeah. So if you want to dirty up your almond break even more, you can use those modes, and there you have it.